share my drone idea. Did you know that there are only two northern white rhinos left in the whole wide world? Not to mention, they're both female and too old to be bred, hence they are technically extinct. So I came up with a drone that mimics a bird, the Birdie Buddy. The Birdie Buddy monitors the rhino's behavior. You may be asking, why would monitoring the northern white rhino even help? Well, scientists are going to attempt to create a pure embryo to bring back the northern white rhino. This method has worked before with southern white rhinos, so it may work with the northern species. The Birdie Buddy uses AI and sensors to detect and monitor the rhino so we can collect information on the northern white rhino to create a controlled environment which resembles the real habitat. And by tracking its daily life, we can try to revive the rhino's old normal life routine as close as possible. My drone is powered by electricity and can charge up with stations, much like an electric car. The Birdie Buddy has propellers to fly up with movable wings and with a fixed wing feature to glide, and that saves the battery. I got this idea from seeing real birds flying in the sky. The Birdie Buddy also has two cameras for eyes. A thermal camera with an Apple Vision-like feature to check health and warmth of the animal, and then a normal camera for regular sensing, and both have AI built into them. The AI senses them by putting a box around them and then seeing them in real time. Well, thank you for listening, and I hope you can consider my drone. Goodbye.